Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So it's Eleonora here. Today I will demonstrate Profhilo treatment on face. So using the 5 points on left and 5 on right side. So it's quite easy procedure, quite quick. I have numbed the area. I've taken pictures before the procedures. Numbing cream on the 5 dots. Places where I'm going to do it. What's Profhilo and what is it for? It's very advanced skin booster that hydrates the skin to very high level, give you lifting effect, synthesize collagen and elastin, overall give you great skin rejuvenation. So for anyone that has like dehydrated skin, that feel that the skin is a bit saggy, that treatment is for you. It's amazing, it's good to do a couple of sessions a month apart, and results are great. So we can monitor that and we can see how the treatment is and what the results are going to be. But yeah, so let me show you now how I do the mapping first. First point here, the middle. Then I'm gonna have about the middle of the eye, 4 centimeter here. I'm gonna have about here a second one, here, here. So I'm gonna be injecting this way, and then her corner, about centimeter up. So it's gonna be here, and then the chin. We'll draw a line in the middle, 1/3, and then from here, yeah, we can have about centimeter, so it's here. Exactly the same on that side. Yeah, here, and then just like this. Yeah, so this way. Centimeter here. Oh yeah, good, lovely. So that's the product for the face. Quite advanced. It comes with a syringe that it's pre-done. Everything's inside, everything you need. So there are 2 needles. One is for one side, one for the other. So I will just open it like that. Then just here. And I will, so we will see. So with each injection, I'll have a couple of the lines going into the skin. Yeah, so about 2 mils. So we'll just go a little bit so I can see my solution. So ready to start. We'll start with that area first because it's not that painful, because she's a bit more scared. So here is not really. So let's see how she feels. So I'll just wipe a bit. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Up. Yeah. How do you feel? Some slow. Are you okay? Almost done. That's it, done. That's it. Perfect. Well done. How is it? It's not too bad, yeah? Okay, so we just do little massage. Perfect. It's going. So those little dots I'm going to wipe and wipe and wipe and wipe. Okay. Ali, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. How do you feel? Almost done. Done. How is that? Perfect. Nice. It goes very quickly. Spreads really quickly, so yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm starting. Perfect. This was perfect. Is it okay? So give you this lifting here. It's really good. Yeah, so we will do the here. 1, 2, 3. 1. here. Yeah, perfect. It goes away, like inside straight away. Okay. Almost there. How is it? Okay, almost there. And that's the last one. Done, done, done. Perfect. Nice, beautiful. You can see already spreading so well. Beautiful. So I'm just removing the first needle. I'm going to place the new one because it's very, you know, it's nicer to be sharp, so we just have to change. It comes with 2 needles always, so yeah, really good. So I'm so happy with everything. And then we'll move from the other side. So wipe, 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 wipe. Okay, so we will start with this side because it's not as painful. Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3, little scratch. It's almost nothing. Just see how it is. Okay. Just looking at the 2 mil. Almost there. Done. Perfect. A little massage. 1, 2, 3. Done. How do you feel? Perfect. 1, 2, 3. It's done. Absolutely done. Oh, nice. And just 2 more. This just goes so quickly inside. It's already spreading. We will do that one here. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Down. Almost done. Done. Okay. This is like, it's just literally went. Everything's so nice. Okay. Too much also. I'm really slow. Done. Perfect. Done. All done. Yeah, so we're now gonna wipe the face. Just all those little marks. Just to make sure that she doesn't have them. And then of course I'll just apply some moisturizer and sunscreen on her face. So nice. So that's it, I just did Profhilo, and then how was the actual feeling? Was it painful too much?
No,
just
it was quite comfortable.
It's quite quick treatment because if you can imagine there are only 10 injections all over. So it's absolutely fine, so it's quick, you know, to go through. So for the next couple of days, I wouldn't advise any active exercises, any kind of steam room, sauna, any kind of cardio or like swimming. So it's not very much recommended. So don't touch the face too much as well. You can go to normal skin routine in terms of like cleansing. You can apply makeup. It's not a problem from tomorrow. Today leave it like that. So, you know, they will spread slowly, slowly, and then you'll start seeing that kind of like nicely plumpness and also hydrated skin, which is very obvious. Actually, even tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, even now, skin looks very glowy. Yeah, so this is like one of the first signs that treatment works really well. So thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to subscribe to our channel, please don't hesitate. If you have any comments related to that treatment, please put them on the section below. And then if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.